Here you will learn how to delete photos from iCloud but not iPhone in detail. Part 1. Backup iPhone photos to computer preparation. In order to make sure the security of photos, before deleting photos from iCloud, it is strongly recommended to first back up the photos on your iPhone to your computer, just in case. After that, you can delete photos from iCloud without affecting the photos on your iPhone. To do this, we can use Coolmuster iOS Assistant, a professional iOS manager tool, to back up your iPhone photos with ease. Step 1. Choose and download the right version of this software to your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer via a USB cable. Trust your device when prompted, and you will see the main interface of this tool. Click Photos on the left panel, and you will see all your iPhone photos on the right panel. Preview and choose the photos you want to transfer, and then click the Export button to start the transfer process. Part 2. How to delete photos from iCloud but not iPhone. Step 1. Go to iPhone Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Photos. Then, turn off iCloud Photos. Step 2. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then, click Photos. Step 3. Choose the photos you want to delete from your iCloud and then click the Delete button. Looks like a trash bin. After that, the photos will be deleted from your iCloud but still kept on your iPhone. Note, when you delete photos from iCloud, they are moved to the recently deleted folder and will be permanently deleted after 30 days. You can also manually delete photos from the recently deleted folder to permanently remove them from iCloud.